Hi there and welcome back to this channel again. This is Pros TV welcoming you to the channel. Alright, in today's video we're going to talk about something special on the table. It's going to be a very short review of this acrylic paint over here. Honestly, it's kind of a strange thing to me. I'm going to unbox this quickly and then we'll take a round look at it. Before that, we have on top written art supplies, and then this is a 12 set of colors. I see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, and then there are premium acrylic paints. I'm not that familiar with acrylic colors at all. Yeah, I'm a stranger. This is my first time to grab one of them. Since I heard acrylic, the name acrylic paints, I've been in that hesitation to grab one and see how it feels like to use it. I'll be using this to be building and creating projects right here on this table. That's why I urge you to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, or smash the like button if you like this video. Alright, I'm gonna turn to this side and we have a Colorona or something like this. Yeah, Colorona art supplies. No, so something here the way the same design, Colorona. Is it Colorona? Yeah, color. It's like a name that comes from color. Yeah, color. Yes, Colorona art supplies, and the name acrylic is written here. And down here there's 12 premium acrylic paints. Acrylic paint. Yeah, set contains 4 artist brushes. Yeah, 4 artist brushes and then 1 plate. And there is it is palette rather. Yeah, there is a plate, yeah, at the back there called palette, where we can mix our poster colors. Alright, we also have 4 set of brushes with different sizes and with different functions. I don't know how they are used, but all I just want to do is to paint and make a nice brushing of the projects I'm gonna make. Alright, so this can be turned to the back, and then we have all the colors arranged. I think that's how, not in order as the one in front here, but at the back here it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. All right, these are the colors, and then it's actually for creative DIY painting, or if you're a drawer, this is actually a good choice for you if you want to do nice drawing paintings. Okay, let me open up. There is a lock here I need to lift, and when that lock is lifted, we pull this backwards, and then we turn this upside down, and then we're going to pull it this way. Boom, right there. Okay, so this is it. This is their acrylic paint, and then beneath it there is the palette. Okay, I was trying to mix it one set of color here. Yeah, I was actually in a curious mode to see how this actually looks like. All right, so looking in the color for we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 12 like counted earlier, and these are the brushes. You can see that the tip of the brushes are actually quite different. This one I tried to paint a bit, yeah. All right, so over here we have another type that is a bit smaller. Over here we have one that is like it's pointed. Can I bring this out? Yeah, I can. I'm doing this for you, so I can. All right, so you can see that this brush is the largest of all, followed by this one here, and next is this one here, and then we have this one over here. And you can see that the brushes are quite different if you compare the tips. Yeah, these ones are flat and they are chisel shaped like incisor of the teeth, and this one is like canine tooth. It's pointed. Yeah, honestly, I don't doubt it's going to be used for careful drawings, ever for for let's say rough brush. Yeah, you have to just arrange it. I want to put it back the same way the white man sent it from China. Yeah, I don't want to cause any confusion or get mixed up. Just in case there's any instruction behind this. All right, so over here we have the palette. Yeah, the palette has 1 2 3 4 5 6 spots, and also 1 2 3 4. I don't know how all this is made. Wow, this is my first time to hold a palette in my whole life. Yeah, okay, it feels very good, honestly. So what happened is that when you pick one of the paints, it's actually like a purple color. Oh my god, the names of the colors are not written on them, but I think the color code like 12 milliliters 0.4 USFL goes in this. They are all parameters for colors. All right, so we can screw this backwards like this, and then we have it open. And even when you open up, so that there is something tight closing. Yeah, let me bring it a bit forward, and then let's see. You see that it has been sealed. So with this, we need to pick a pin, and then we prick the mouth on the opening like this. I'm trying to hit and then push backwards. Good. So that's it. And then I don't know how this is used, but I can bring some for this actually. This is the look of the print. This is how it looks like, honestly. Yeah. And this has to be poured in one of these potholes, and then I don't know whether we have to mix some water. It already looks very liquid to me, and I'm not sure there is a need to add water unless I learn more. I don't know. Anyway, I want to actually hear from you. Put down your suggestions in the comment section below and tell me whatever you think about this video. Yeah, and if you recommend it for others to, hit the subscribe button and press the thumbs up button. Yeah, I actually got this one so that I want to grab this so that I can paint up my DIY projects and then make them look outstanding and nice. I don't know whether it can be helpful or not, but it's good to try something new and see how it is. This is all for this video. Yeah, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, you are in the home of creativity and many more. You have education, you have training here, you have fun, you have entertainment, art, and many more. So just hit the subscribe button so that, oh my god, I can do this. Hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any video that will be posted in the future days to come. Alright, I will leave you here and wish you the best. Take care and then take care of yourself as well. More peace, more love, respect to Pro Steven. Shut up.